Good morning. My name is Constance Washington. And once again, I'm up here because I'm going to keep sharing my story. I'm going to keep sharing my story. I'm going to keep asking for help. I'm going to keep posting my proof until someone hear my story. I'm going to keep emailing. I'm going to keep faxing. I'm going to keep calling. I'm never going to stop. I'm never going to give up. Again, I'm asking everybody to please share my story. I'm looking for an attorney that is willing to represent me, that's willing to help me fight my case. Again, my land is being stolen in North Carolina, and I'm going to keep fighting, and I'm going to keep posting, and I'm going to keep begging and asking for help because I understand this is the only way to go. Nobody won't hear my story. Nobody won't help me until I get, I guess, enough of recognition where someone will step in and help. So I'm asking everyone, can they please help? I have a GoFundMe page. $1, $2, $5 will go a long way. I'm praying and getting a good attorney, someone that's willing to help me fight my attorney. I was able to retain attorney 5 hours away just to help me with the lien. That attorney, I posted a letter from him on my other video. That attorney did come. He was paid. I paid him. He came to the courthouse on Columbus Day, and he asked me, what are we doing here? Because they sent me to another county because they wanted to make sure I stayed on Marvin Blunt's calendar because him and the attorney is working together. Him, the attorney, the clerk, they all working together. So for some strange reason, they keep sending me from county to county to county to county, even though they saying down there they rotate. However, they keep rotating and making sure I only get on Marvin Blunt's calendar because he's an elected judge. He's safe until 2030. So it's time to call in the favors. Those elected judges, those same attorneys that be before they courtroom, it be the one that get them up there when they help get them votes and they sponsor them and everything. Them little towns, they all family, friends, and neighbors. These kangaroo courts, they're horrible. Everybody's working together. Everybody know each other's, but once again, there's no law against that, so they can do that. You know, they can be family and friends and neighbors and all this type of stuff. For the attorney told me, I've been working these parts for over 30 years. I bet you have. I bet you have. He told me you're not going to be able to find an attorney in this part, so you might as well settle. I'm not settling. You know, I'm not going to sit up there and spend my money and allow people to treat me like shit and allow people to talk to me like I'm dirt. I didn't do nothing wrong. I bought me a piece of land. I went into contract with a company called Downey's Old Homes. I'm going to post them every time I do a video. Okay, this is the dirty clerk, Wendy Turner, and this is the dirty judge. Okay, Marvin Blunt. They are all working together. Somebody's getting paid. Somebody's getting kickbacks. I don't care what nobody say. There's no way. They probably family. You know, you never know. We're down in those parts, you know, from what I'm told. Okay. So again, I'm going to keep sharing my story and I'm asking for help. I'm trying to, you know, I got 101 people in my inbox telling me this happened to them. It doesn't make no kind of sense. Stuff like this happen, even if y'all don't fight. You know, I can't really get upset because I was upset at one point and I was like, why these people won't fight back, you know? But I can't get upset with them not fighting back because sometimes you don't know how to fight back. You don't know where to start. You feel alone. You feel like, oh my God, you know, you feel threatened like me. The way my attorney, like he said, well, if I win this case, I could win this case. But if I win this case, I'll never win another case in North Carolina. I get it. He lived down there. He's scared. They all work together. He's saying, oh, something that ain't right in here. The man jumped over me. Okay, he took my money. He took my money. Okay, I paid him over $5,000 just to help me with the lien. By the time I finally got an attorney, see, this is what I want y'all to understand. It's a long process. By the time I finally found the attorney, he came to court one time, and then he sent me a letter, and he took himself off the case. I called him and was like, he won't answer. I'm like, why? I don't blame him. The man is scared. The way he jumped over me and ran out the courtroom, and I ran behind him, and I said, wait, sir, what's going on? He said they put a default judgment on your land. He said, Khan says, I don't know. You need to, I don't know. The man was scared to death. So now I'm saying, should I be scared? So once again, I'm going to say this, and I'm going to say this on every video. I am not suicidal. I do not have mental illness. Nobody in my house is gang members. We don't sell drugs. I don't have enemies. So if anything happened to me or any of my children, Chowan County is behind it. You know, everybody inboxing me, telling me, be careful, they dirty, be careful. Be careful for what? What is going on? But then again, the way the attorney was acting, and now he just took himself off my case, something is going on down there. But I'm just letting the world know. If anything happened to me, I'm going to keep fighting. You know, they like, oh, Constance, please keep fighting. Please keep fighting. People in my inbox saying, what should I do? They did this to me. Listen, we have to. Yeah, I get a little nervous. Yeah, I get a little scared because I have children. I get afraid for my children. But if something gonna happen to me, it's gonna happen to me while I'm fighting. I'm not gonna lay down and let something is happening to me anyway. So what am I losing? They're taking my land, my commonwealth for my children. My constitutional rights has been violated on every angle. The judge, the attorney, the clerk, they are all working with each other. They are dirty. Chowan County is dirty. And I'm sure there's no way in the world nobody don't know these people is dirty. These people is dirty because they not just doing this to me. I got people in my inbox. I even asked the lady, well, they did that to you. I want to start a petition. I need everybody to sign. Oh, no, they did that to me 5 years ago. I got to live down here. Something is not right, y'all. We got to stand up and fight back. But I feel like I'm alone. I feel like, you know, I can't, everybody keeps saying, email this person, text this. I'm emailing everybody. I'm writing letters. Believe me, y'all, I'm doing everything. I'm Washington. I'm doing everything. I done send emails. I'm not sitting here. I don't even sleep. I sit up all night watching, making sure nobody don't come in here and try to hurt me and my children. Okay? I said, I want to put in something, but I need to change my venue. I don't even want to go back down there until all of this is done and said and over with, because something is not right. You know, people telling me, be careful, be careful. What are y'all talking about? Be careful. What's going on? Everybody talking in riddles and but nobody. I mean, this, as big as this world is, as many of us as it is, I can't get a few people to stand up for me. Listen, I'm looking for attorney. I'm praying for attorney. I'm begging for attorney. You know, I'm a righteous woman by nature. You know what I'm saying? And I say every day, I pray, no weapons formed against me shall prosper. I pray. Lord, what do you want me to do? People keep saying, fight. I have to fight. My whole life savings went into my land. I can't just sit here and not do nothing. I have no other choice but to fight. I have 10 children. We need some place to live. The purpose of me, it took me 8 years to save up that money to buy that piece of land. I can't just walk away and turn my head and don't say nothing. But I'm asking for help to fight. All these people in the world, and I can't get no help. This little town, Chowan County, it's a lot of us. Because I'm begging somebody to help me. I'm not asking no attorney to take my case for free. I'm going to pay you. I don't care what I have to do. I am going to pay you. I'm just looking for an attorney that will fight with me, for me. You know, the attorneys down there, they all scared. They running scared. It's terrible that these clerks, and I'm a clerk, so I know the power that these clerks and these judges have the power to do this to us, and they're doing it to us, and nobody is helping. This is horrible. They put these people in office so they can take our land and steal our land legally. And they doing it legally. And I can't get no help. Once again, I am begging. I am defeated. I am begging someone, can y'all please look into my case? I have my emails. I have my paperwork. I got a home built and they built the wrong home. And I said I'm not going to pay them. And I went into litigation. And the whole Chowan County is together. They are working together. They made sure I wasn't heard. I never got a chance to tell my story. Downey's Homes is paying them. Nobody is. The attorney is dirty. The clerk is dirty. I have my pay. They told me they found my answer. But I'm still in default. I'm posting the proof. They taking it down. I'm asking somebody, can y'all please help me and my family? They are taking my land because I wouldn't buy the wrong home from down these homes. Please share my story. Thank you. Please.